Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's value education session. I hope children you all are enjoying our session. So today I am going to tell you a new story. Story of a devotee of Panduranga means Lord Vitthal. So our today's topic is lesson 11 Rakha Kumbhar. So there was a potter whose name was Rakha Kumbhar, and I am going to tell you an incident from his life. See children, God is really very great and God always help you. God always there for you. He shows us good path in our life. He protects us. He gives us energy. He is in everything and He is everywhere. So God is really great. So we should pray to God every day. So let's see what is the story of Rakha Kumbhar. So children, lesson 11 Rakha Kumbhar. Can you all see the picture? We can see a person who is sitting on the cot. Yes, he is a Rakha. He was a Rakha Kumbhar. And we can see beside him his wife was sitting. She is sitting beside him. So Rakha Kumbhar was a potter. Rakha Kumbhar, a potter by profession, lived in Pandharpur. He lived in the Pandharpur, a holy town. You all must know children, because we go to to worship God Vitthal in the Pandharpur. So Rakha Kumbhar, a potter by profession, lived in Pandharpur, a holy town in Maharashtra. His wife was Bagabai. His wife's name was Bagabai. So they were a devout couple. They both were great devotees of Lord Vitthal. They were a devout couple. They always fed a needy man before they had their meals. They were really great people. They were great devotee of Lord Vitthal. And they always fed a needy man before they had their meals. They always sang the glory of God day in and day out. They used to chant the name of Lord Vithala always. They were a great devout couple. So what happens? Just see. So once they made mud pots out of clay on a wheel. Yes, as you all know children, what does the potter do? Yes, he makes mud pots out of a clay on a wheel. So they made mud pots out of clay on a wheel. Mixing of mud, spinning wheel for forming different shapes of the vessels, arranging them in the kiln and baking them were all done by singing the glory of God. So whenever he was busy doing his work, he always, there was a presence of God in his mind. He always used to chant the name of Lord Vithala. And whenever he was mixing the mud and spinning wheel or forming different shapes of vessels or arranging them in the kiln and baking them were all done by singing the glory of God. So on festive occasions, earthen pots generally found a good market. On one such occasion, Rakha kept some wet vessels for drying outside his house, and a cat laid kittens in one of the big pots. So here in the picture you all can see, generally during the festivals, earthen pots found good market. So on one such occasion, Rakha kept wet vessels for drying outside his house, and a cat laid kittens in one of the big pots. Without knowing this, Rakha loaded the pots in the kiln for baking, covered it with the mud and then lit it. Rakha was not knowing that a cat has laid kittens in the pot. So without knowing this, Rakha loaded the pots in the kiln for baking, covered it with mud and then lit it. So children, here you can see in the picture. And what happens then later, when the fire started burning, he heard the cries of kittens coming from one of the pots in the fire. Then once he lit the fire, when the fire started burning, he heard the cries of kittens coming from one of the pots in the fire. And he came to know that he has done a big mistake and there are kittens in the pots. So Rakha and his wife believed in God. They believed in Panduranga, Lord Vithala. So they also cried. Rakha and his wife cried, "Oh Panduranga, please save the innocent kittens. I shall never continue potter's profession if the kittens are saved." So he did commitment with the God. If the kittens are saved, then he will never continue potter's profession. So what happens later, children? They continued praying whole day and night till the kiln cooled. Both of them trusted God. And later, then what happened, just see. Rakha removed the vessels one by one, repeating the name of Panduranga. At last, he removed the biggest vessel. It was unbaked and cool. The kittens were safe inside and came out of one by one. So here we can see a miracle. Okay, children, God is everywhere. God is everybody. And here we can see that the kittens were safe inside and they came one by one. They came out one by one. And it was really something. God only saved those kittens because they were in one earthen pot, and that pot, when it was removed, that biggest vessel was unbaked and cool. So children, what a miracle! The Lord responded to the prayers of Rakha, as vowed. Rakha did not continue the potter's profession. So this miracle we can understand, children. The Lord responded to the prayers of Rakha, as vowed. Rakha did not continue the potter's profession. So here the moral of the story is, divinity knows no restrictions. If you believe in God, if you chant the name of God, and God is always there to help you out. So children, we should have faith in God and we should chant the name of the God every day. I hope you all must have enjoyed our today's lesson. Okay children, thank you so much.